What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So the SPY continues to trade sideways since last week. You can see that it's hovering right around this high point that was created back here in July of 27th. And we're back right at the same point. So we have seen a very large move up since late October, and price is starting to stall out at the prior high point. So we may just see continued sideways trading. That's why I drew this orange range here to represent that indecision in the market. Price is a little bit overextended from the EMA, but again, if it stays overextended for this amount of time, it can also continue to stay overextended for the foreseeable future. Either way, the market is still looking like it wants to continue to push up higher. So this is very strong momentum off of this low point back here in the low 400s, and price continues to push up higher and higher. So right back at the mid 400s. So again, this is still a very bullish looking market. It has been bullish this pretty much in this entire year, and you can see that we're still seeing prices continue to push up higher. So I'm expecting a new all-time high next year. That would be the next target after price breaks out of this 459 level. It's already at the 460, but I want to see a bigger break, and then the all-time highs would be the next target, which we're only a few percentage points away. So from the all-time high, we're only 4% away. So again, very close to all-time highs. The market is still very bullish. I expect higher prices to continue. It's just that, the volatility is very low right now, historically, compared to like, 2020. So again, this is taking a longer time. But either way, this is still showing signs of strength to the upside. We could pull back first. I'm not exactly sure how the market is going to reach all-time highs. We can always just see a very large pullback and then continue higher. We can just continue higher from where we are right now. We can continue trading sideways and then break out to the upside. So either way, the time-based is hard to figure out, but the direction is, pointing upwards. A lot of things are in favor for the bulls as of right now. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that, we have, almost 7 consecutive green weeks in a row. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next week could be the 7th green week in a row. Very bullish. You can see that it found support from that low 400 level, rebounded higher, and is headed towards the all-time highs at the 479, 480 levels. So again, the SPY is looking pretty bullish. I'm expecting higher prices. Since the market made 2 legs up already, this was 1 leg up right here in the past, and the market made a 2nd leg up, found resistance at the 2nd leg, sold off. But if it wants to continue pushing up higher, we can combine the first 2 legs to make a larger leg, and then that would take price right up to the 521. So all-time highs would be the next target, and then the mesh move target at the 521. Maybe then we'll get a very large sell-off, because then that would be 2 large legs up. So again, I'm expecting the market to make new all-time highs sometime early next year, and then maybe the 521 target sometime mid next year. So let's see if that occurs. As right now, that's all I have for the SPY. It has a very large run up. It's going sideways in the short period, but even if we do see a breakout lower, there's still a lot of buying pressure that can push prices back up to all-time highs next year. So let's take a look at the triple Qs real quick. Again, very similar chart. This one is also knocking at the doors of the all-time highs, 3.78% away. That's the weekly chart. And you can see how, it's bouncing off that EMA and it's pushing up higher. So again, this is looking very bullish. And for the QQQ, the target would be the all-time highs. And then the 474, somewhere around the high 400s would be the next target after that. So again, it's a very bullish looking chart. You can see that it bottomed back here in early January of this year. And price has been rocking up ever since. So again, very large move up. I'm expecting continuation. This is a very large momentum to the upside. So again, very bullish looking indices as of right now. That's all I have for the SPY and QQQ. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.